She's real smart. Yeah. Look, Sherry, you're a friend.
Yeah. He's nice.
He's a little guy. I think he's probably like 18 months.
Yeah. He's old.
He's older.
Go in the pool.
So funny. He's studying it like.
They're almost.
Look at it.
They're almost the same.
Megan, if you watch carefully, you'll notice he does this.
Oh, he's spraying now.
Really? Like, oh, watching. Yeah.
Spraying now.
Yeah.
Make a video on that. Woo! Pickle, pickle.
I love his pimples right here.
One more, Kian.
That suit is cute, huh?
Yeah, that is that.
Yeah.
There's a lot of selection in your makeup. There's a lot.
I got that at Unique.
Oh, that's why I say the same.
There's so many great things there.
It's a great deal because I paid 34, then I got four short, then
For you?
for him, then 10 t-shirt.
Wow.
A lot.
And they have nice winter stuff there when you in the winter time. Yeah. He's like, I'm just a kid all the way over here. Yeah. Yeah.